In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your Roblox keyboard not working. If you've been frustrated with your keyboard suddenly being unresponsive while you're trying to enjoy your game, don't worry, you're not alone, and it's usually a pretty simple fix. Let's dive into some solutions and get you back to playing in no time. First, let's start with something that might seem pretty basic but can often be overlooked: restarting your computer. Believe it or not, a good old-fashioned reboot can solve many unexpected software glitches, including keyboard issues. Simply save your work, close all applications, restart your computer, and launch Roblox again to see if the issue persists. Next, if restarting didn't do the trick, let's make sure your keyboard's driver is up to date. Drivers are essential for your computer hardware to communicate properly with your operating system. To check this, go to your device manager. Once you're there, find the section labeled Keyboards. Click on it, right-click your keyboard device, and select Update Driver. Follow the prompts to search automatically for updated driver software. This will either confirm your driver is up to date or locate a newer version and install it, which might resolve the issue. If updating the driver didn't help, the next potential solution involves checking your language and keyboard settings. Sometimes, these settings change without you realizing it, and they can affect your keyboard's functionality. Navigate to your computer settings, look for the time language option, and ensure your preferred language is selected. Also, check your keyboard layout to make sure it's correct for your region. Another common solution is to check whether a recent Windows update might have affected your system's performance, particularly with Roblox. If so, you may want to roll back the update or check for additional updates that might resolve the issue. Head to the Update Security section in your settings to see if anything appears under View Update History. From here, you can uninstall updates if you suspect this is the root cause. Lastly, disable unnecessary programs running in the background. These can sometimes interfere with gaming applications like Roblox. You can do this by opening your task manager and closing any tasks that are not needed. Be cautious with this step, though, as you don't want to close any system-critical processes. And that's it! These steps should help you solve your Roblox keyboard issue and get you back into the game quickly. Remember, if none of these solutions work, it might be worth reaching out to Roblox support for more personalized assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting tips and tech advice. Happy gaming!